Okay, hello. We are Thursday team 2. We gonna talk about module 5, my map. Okay, let's start. Blockchain basics. Introduction to distributed ledgers. What is a blockchain? The technology behind a peer-to-peer network's whole history of transaction is kept in a decentralized ledgers called blockchain. Participants can confirm transactions using this technology without a requirement for a central clearing organization. So what connections does blockchain have to cryptocurrencies? Blockchain technology enables cryptocurrency to exist. Cryptocurrencies, often known as cryptos, are digital currencies created to function as a means of exchange through a computer network and are not dependent on any central authority such as a government or bank to uphold or maintain it. There are a lot of possible uses for cryptocurrencies, including in the auto industry, financial services, voting, and healthcare. The blockchain, for instance, might be used by customers to manage shares of autonomous vehicle ownership. Because blockchain is a form of next generation business process improvement software. It has potential uses that go well beyond those of Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies from a commercial standpoint. Blockchain and other collaborative technologies promise to significantly reduce the cost of a trust by enhancing the commercial activities that take place between firms. Because of this, it might provide much larger returns for every dollar invested than the majority of conventional internal investments. Okay, moving to the security and privacy. GDPR, a cheat sheet. What is the GDPR? It is the data privacy laws across all European Union member countries. The European Union is enforcing a new set of regulation designed to protect the data security and the privacy of its citizens. Enforcement of the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) went into effect May 25, 2018 and will be applicable to all EU citizens and any business entity that transacts with them, regardless of the location of the business. Why does the GDPR matter? The penalty for non-compliance with the provision of GDPR regarding collecting and using personal data are potentially devastating. The key provision of the GDPR: any business collecting personal data from a citizen of the EU affects the effects of it is enforcement of the GDPR. Moving on to the 8 reasons why smartphones are privacy nightmare. Started from the first one, geo-tracking. It is GPS chip that enable features such as tracking distances during running and map navigation. Second, malicious apps. It is a great feature about smartphone is that its functionality can be massively expanded by installing apps. The scary thing is that we willingly provide this when we agree to the app permission. Like we provide the access to our contacts, GPS, and camera. The third one is Wi-Fi tracking. The free Wi-Fi connection is too often in reality an invasion of privacy. Fourth, the lack of antivirus software. Fifth, your camera could be watching you. Sixth, microphone eavesdropping. 7, lack of security patches. 8, beware the backdoor. Okay, moving on to the payment in e-commerce. There's many ways to pay for the e-commerce, like Braintree, Stripe, or PayPal. The Braintree advantages interface well done. Disadvantages fraud protection. Stripe advantages more versatile and customizable. Disadvantages of it is easy to receive blackmail. PayPal advantages very easy to integrate. I think it's like one of the most convenient way to pay. Disadvantages is it's easy to receive blackmail. Zero advantages of it is very simple and user interface. Disadvantages is complex system. The multi-save play advantages zero cost. Disadvantages works with registered users. Okay, Google Wallet it increased credibility. That their advantages. The disadvantages is it works with all the registered users. Amazon payments. It increased credibility. Click and buy. Advantages of it is it increased credibility. Disadvantages is terrible interface, high cost. High pay. Advantages privacy and anti-fraud systems. Disadvantages is high cost. Payoneer advantages an affiliated program. Disadvantages is expensive transactions. Paysa advantages easy to integrate and versatile. Disadvantages is unknown in India, only accessible in English. So forth advantages immediate transfer check receive payments. Disadvantages is unknown in India. Guest pay advantages interface payment system quick acceptance. Disadvantages high related expensive base rates. Advantages of payment. It accepts credit cards sell all over the world use physical anti-fraud system control transaction. Disadvantages of it is unknown outside Oceania. The types of cryptocurrencies exist right now nowadays. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin is the three of the most used of cryptocurrency in the e-commerce. This is all for today. Thank you.